Ayun na yung school bus. Okay. So, andyan si Madam. Shout out to all subscriber of mine. Thank you that you subscribe me. Share, likes, and comments. Thank you very much. Thank you very much that you are giving time to spend to watch my video. And thank you again. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe, to share, to likes, and to comments while you are watching my videos. Thank you very much. Ayun yung school bus. So, let's go. There's just only si Sisi. Again, we go inside na. I close the door. Because she's looking at me if where I am now when she come inside. I'm just looking. I'm hiding here in the Christmas tree. Ayan si Sam. Ayan na.
بيها
انت قلتي حشتري هدوم الجيم
صح نسيت
نسيتي؟
ايوه
لا باش اشتري لي ماما انت راح تسافري
موجودة ما نسافر
ماما ما كنت راح اسافر مع عمار
ما كنت اسافر بالصيف هسه وينتر
لا ليش عروبة وجدي راحة
عندهم شغل لا ودي غرفتك الشوز كلها بغرفتك يلا
اعطي قاسي حتى تغسلي
She's looking at me.
What's it gonna
She's looking at me. She's looking at me. How are you? Do you think that I'm in the kitchen?
Yeah.
In your room? You are not thinking that I'm here? I'm looking at you with your mama and papa in the bus. Okay na. Yela, bye-bye. Thank you again for watching. Thank you to subscribe me. And thank you to share, likes, and comment. Thank you very much. Aray ko. We are here in the what's that? Ano ba yun? Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay. Thank you again. Thank you for watching. Thank you to subscribe me. Thank you to make likes and comments. And thank you very much talaga to all watching in my videos. In my short videos and in my long videos. videos. Okay, thank you, thank you.
Ganda
And God bless us
halato.
all, and bye.
Ganda halato.
O, Sisi, ala to. Yela, bye-bye si Guli, bye-bye.
Buttercup.
Ay, ano ba yan?